Hey guys, the Glam Empress here, back with another video. And in this video I am gonna have you guys come with me while I do some deep cleaning in the house. Now, we don't let the house get too dirty, you know, when you just need a little sprucing up. So right now I'm just getting the dishes washed and loaded into the dishwasher, and then I wanted to do some deep cleaning around the house, especially in the bathroom. And I'm gonna show you guys the new machine that I've been loving to help deep clean the bathroom and deep clean the floors, you guys. So just stay tuned to that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So because I work from home and I have a home-based business, it is very important and crucial that we keep the house clean and disinfected. And because I have a puppy dog and I run a home-based business as well, and there is high traffic in certain areas, it's just important to keep the house disinfected and make sure we're spraying it down with Lysols, cleaning the countertops or any places that people touch on the regular. So yeah, that's what I'm doing in today's video, and it is satisfying, especially when you put some music on and you're just cleaning the house. And even though it's not much to clean, it is just relaxing, just trying to get everything clean, and it feels good when you're laying in a clean home.
Feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh, baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, baby. Won't you love me? Oh, but kind of new way. Oh, but kind of new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Love me like yesterday. Yesterday.
So the number one thing my mom and I don't like about cleaning is just bending our backs a lot. So I'm so excited to introduce to you guys this new cleaning brush. It's an 8-in-1 cleaning brush that you can find either on TikTok Shop or Amazon. But the cleaning brush is electric, and it does have an extended pole that you can use to stretch it out, so that way you're not bending your back. And when I tell you guys, this was a game changer. Like, if you are the type of person that gets your home cleaned professionally, like we were doing that at one point, but sometimes, you know, you just want to hurry up and clean up the house, you guys, this will give your home that professional feeling. It has 3 different settings. It's a slow setting, and then it goes up to full high speed, and then it's really good to get the grime and everything out of your bathtub and out of the towels as well, you guys. I'm telling you, it will leave your home spick and span. It really gets up into the nicks and the crannies, and you're not really bending your back as well. And then what I love about the 8-in-1 cleaning brush is that you can change it out to clean different parts of your home. Now, I love it especially for the bathtub, because who is going to be climbing in? Well, I used to climb in the bathtub, y'all, to clean it out real good. But don't nobody have time for that. We getting old and everything, and don't nobody want to be bending their back. So I love that I can clean my bathtub really good, the towels really good, and also it's good to flip over that mat and really deep clean the mat as well. And I believe there is about 8 different brushes that you can switch in and out of on this machine as well. You can clean the floors, you can clean the toilet, you can clean the bathtub, you can clean the sink. Like, you literally can clean your whole house with this 8-in-1 cleansing brush, you guys. And I'm telling you, it is a game changer. I highly recommend, especially if you aren't getting your home cleaned professionally, to invest in one of these cleaners. I'm not sure of the price and how much it costs on Amazon, you guys, but no matter what, I still feel as though it's definitely a much needed item to have in your home.
Mhm. Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste will wash away, 'cause I promise I'm better now. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, babe. Won't you love me? The open
Let me know in the comments below if you would purchase this 8-in-1 brush cleaner to deep clean your home. And if you need ideas on how to declutter, organize, and clean your home, be sure to click on the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Every time you thought that we